You are watching Kit Kabinet, and this is the inbox review of the Dragon Heinkel 162 Volksjäger in 1/72 scale. So, the Dragon kit of the Heinkel 162 Volksjäger or Salamander or Spatz or whatever you want to call it. Arguably the best one around. But is it true? Let's have a look inside. Well, as you might expect from such a small aircraft, the kit is also very small. Well, let's have a closer look. Let's start with the transparencies. They are made in some sort of tinted, colored, transparent plastic, which looks very cool and posh and blah and extra high quality, but I doubt if the real one had tinted glass at all. So I don't know what to think of that. It looks cool from a distance, but then again, if you look, well, let's look at this. Don't know if you can see, but the lens effect of this canopy is pretty horrible. So I'm not very impressed with these transparencies actually. Then again, the cockpit is very nicely detailed, and so you might want to mount the canopy open anyway, but it's of course a bit like, yeah, having to make do with a, yeah, not so great part in my opinion. And that for such a kit that's supposed to be like the best around. Okay. Well, here's some redeeming features. The detail, the panel lining looks very nice. The undercarriage very finely made. And there's even this. This is the nose wheel bay with a small window, so the pilot could check if the nose wheel would retract. Looks like this. And here you can also see like the cockpit detail. It looks very good. Cockpit floor, yeah. So yes, it's very good. It's very nicely detailed. And that for the price of, what did I pay for it? About 18 euros, I think. So the tail assembly, yeah, what can you say? Very good, as the rest of the kit is. Piece of the engine. The engine sprue. So you can mount this engine open. It would be a bit of a shame not to mount it open when you have the chance to expose this really good looking engine. The instructions. Yeah. Oh, look at the detail. Yeah, it's in terms of detail, this is the best kit around. So you would want that. The paint schemes provided are from two well-known aircraft of Jagdgeschwader 1, one flown by Emil Demuth, and the other aircraft, named Nervenklau, flown by Gerhard Hanf. The decals are nicely printed in register and even offer two different variants for Demuth's aircraft. If you'd want any other scheme, you'll most likely have to resort to aftermarket decals or the spares box. I paid about 18 euros for this thing, but it was also released, the same kit, as a Revell kit. Picture coming up now. And the Revell kit, where you get also this Arado flying bomb thingy, jet thingy together with it, was about 12 euros when it was released. And well, it's a bit of a shame that the Dragon kits are so overpriced. They are very nice, but you get the same kit, the same quality in the Revell kit, so you feel a bit robbed or something. And also also the transparencies, I'm really not very impressed by those. I expected more from Dragon. They did include, however, some photo etch parts coming up now. But yeah, 18 euros for this kit and some photo etch parts as compared to the Revell kit. And if you want to build like a basic kit, there's also like the Hobby Boss kit, which is very basic. If you compare the cockpits, like there's no contest. This Dragon kit wins hands down. But if you just want to have like a basic kit of this small fighter, you have to decide for yourself if the extra price is worth the detail. I think in a way it is, but I find it a bit difficult that, well, you get like the same kit with an extra glide plane bomb for much less. So why, Dragon? Why? But in conclusion, I think this is a very nice kit over the whole line, despite the canopy. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.